Hey everyone, welcome back to JC Castle Accounting. Today I'm going to show you one of the most useful tools every small business owner should have bookmarked, our free markup calculator. If you sell products or services, one mistake can cost you money, pricing too low or too high. This calculator fixes that. It tells you exactly how much to charge, how much profit you make, and what your true margin is. A lot of business owners confuse markup and margin. Markup is how much you add on top of your cost. Margin is the percentage of your selling price that becomes profit. They are not the same, and that's why this calculator is extremely useful. Let's say your product costs you $80, and you want to sell it for $120. Instantly, the calculator shows your markup amount, markup percentage, profit amount, profit margin percentage. Here's why this matters. If your item costs you $80 and you sell it for $120, your markup is 50%, but your margin is only 33%. Big difference, and this calculator makes it clear for you. What if you know your selling price, but you want to find out the maximum cost you can pay and still keep your profit? You just enter your selling price and desired margin. The calculator does the rest. If you price products, run a shop, do e-commerce, or give project quotes, this tool will save you time, prevent mistakes, and help you stay profitable. So bookmark it, save it. Use it every time before pricing anything. You can find this tool on our website at jccastleaccounting.com under free calculators. If you need help with pricing strategy, bookkeeping, or improving profitability, feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more free calculator tutorials. We'll keep showing you simple tools to price smarter and grow your business.